Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Love Me Hair wig install, and today I'm actually showing you guys a half wig. The texture is a Yaki straight texture, and this is their 3-in-1 half hair human wig. Okay, I forgot how many inches I have. I'm sorry. However, I do believe that this density is around 150%. I could be wrong, but to me she feels like 150%. And again, this is a Yaki straight texture. Now I don't know if you guys realize, but these half wigs have been trending a lot lately, and that is because they are a very quick and easy protective style. Alrighty, now I do have some comments regarding this Yaki straight that I'm showing you guys today from Love Me Hair, and there's a little things we need to discuss regarding the blend and all that good stuff, but we'll get to it. Again though, these half wigs have been coming in handy. I've actually been wearing half wigs as of lately to work, and I love them a whole lot. So as always, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an unboxing, and then we'll talk more about the wig and how to blend this hair. Okay, so let's get a close-up of this hair. Again, it's a Yaki straight, 100% human hair. The only thing that I will say is that this Yaki straight felt a little thinner texture-wise compared to other Yaki hair that I've had in the past. So that's just a warning. But anyways, inside the wig cap, you have the combs and you also have the drawstring, okay? So you guys know me, I love me some Yaki hair. However, when it comes to blending my hair with this Yaki hair wig, it was a little bit of a challenge, and I'll go ahead and I'll explain why. First off, I feel like the Yaki hair, the texture of it didn't feel like what I'm used to. It felt a little sleekier and silkier than that. I know sometimes brands will, make sure that when the hair arrives to you, it's nice and soft and silky. So sometimes they'll add like silicone and stuff like that. I don't know if that's what they did with this Yaki hair. It could be better after I wash it, but that's just my first impression. The second thing is that if I do straighten my hair, majority of the time I leave my hair blown out because I have fine natural hair. So when my hair is silky straight, you guys, my hair looks like it's stuck to my head. So that could come in handy with this Yaki straight half wig. I don't know, but as of right now, my hair was not perfectly prepped for it, so I went in with my round brush to kind of just get as close to my roots as possible and smooth my hair out as much as I can. Now, in my honest opinion though, I know we all love Yaki over here, but if you're thinking of getting a half wig, I feel like Kinky Straight is the best. I'm waiting on Love Me Hair to release their Kinky Straight version of this. I think they had released the Yaki first because I don't know if you guys are aware, but they actually have clip-ins, and the Yaki hair clip-ins have been selling like crazy. They've been doing a really good job, so I'm assuming that's why Yaki hair was their main focus for the half wig. But I'm patiently waiting for kinky hair because that's just going to blend in a lot better. If your hair is processed, chemically processed, meaning you get perms or texturizers, then I feel like this Yaki straight half wig will blend in beautifully for you. But to all my regular naturals, you might have a little bit of an issue and you might have to straighten your hair very well in order to get it to blend. So that is the issue that I ran into. They also wanted me to show you guys a voluminous look with this hair. From the back, she seems pretty full, but touching her and actually putting the wig on, this particular half wig felt very thin to me. So in order for me to get a voluminous look, I would have had to cut layers and just do, curls and do a whole bunch of things to it just to make it look like it's a lot fuller than what it is. So hence why I kind of just kept it as it is, because it was enough to try to get my natural hair to blend with it as it is. However, the final result, was I happy with the final result? I would say I was about maybe like 70% happy with it. My hair just wasn't blending in as best as I would have wanted it to. I'll just put it that way. I'm a natural and I don't always wear my hair straight, so trying to get my hair straight, Like, this is an issue. So Luvme hair, when you guys come out with a kinky straight texture, feel free to go ahead and send me one, because that will blend in a whole lot better. But to everybody else out there, don't let my review stray you. Definitely check out some other reviews. I've seen girls do wonders with these half wigs, even the Yaki straights. It really just all depends on your natural hair. Always keep your natural hair in mind. But definitely check out my description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.